Meaning of gigue.
gigue,
Gigue.
gigue,
Gigue. The word gigue refers to a type of lively dance that originated in the Baroque period and is usually in 6/8 or 12/8 time. It is often found as a movement in Baroque suites for keyboard or orchestra. The gigue typically features a fast tempo and a distinctive rhythmic pattern of dotted rhythms followed by 16th notes. It can also refer to a piece of music written in this style or to a performer of such a dance. Overall, the gigue is a significant genre in Baroque music and is still appreciated and performed today.